LMTV. Let's go fast.
Dear viewers of LMTV Uganda, this is your number one host, Freda Mbabazi, bringing to you your number one showbiz program called Around Town. Erangale nakuralero tuzene the gorgeous lady, the vocalist, byonna byebananga, the lady with the massive stage performance, the one and only Kasita. Eranga tutugenda kubeera kwoga bingi okwebino budde. Let me just give you Kasita straight away. Ababuzeeko abaleba LMTV Uganda. Kasita, greetings. Say hi to the viewers of LMTV Uganda.
About LMTV, how are you, my people? It's about Kasita, Mama Sita. You guys all right?
Tukaniza kumpeoza LMTV Uganda.
Thank you.
Ngero nakuralero tagala tubuiremu tuayemu core relationships and your career as a musician who inspired you to join or your old deal actually. Okay. Your real name is Kasita.
Kasita is my real name.
Kasita.
Yes.
Is your real name?
Yes.
Actually, you thought that it was a stage name.
Hey, Mama, Ngaliba Pamv. It's my real name.
Your real name, we did that.
Ngabi.
We did Ngabi. Umunyeta mlango muganda.
Somebody Gomez sija batambulira.
Kasita gayo tambira mungo muganda na yembwe. Kasita is a real name ya mchala wanga ibananga abenga ifenda je tuli eno tulina celebu mu kika. Era Kasita wasoma chenkanaki?
Nasoma paka ku university.
Paka university cheyo ba ogiwo betaga bakula
University Business School
MOBS. Which course did you do?
Entrepreneurship.
But you opted for entrepreneurship as course you wakola na yate. You turned out to be a musician. Why?
Because even music is a job. It's what I invested in. It is entrepreneur bera muntu aye ya business na chukula kwanya, so my business is music.
Your business is music.
Venturing in, yes.
Yeah. So when you're doing entrepreneurship, so your project you sala kukola?
Yes, it's a project I chose to.
So when did your music career start? When?
I've been doing music for some time and I've been on and off. I said right from school when I was in campus. Then I just came back like I could say 4 to 5 years back when I was in the band. Then call a band for that whole time, and then just last year I was working for band business. So I can go back to my solo career and I see what happens. And it's working out for me.
It's really working out. Yeah, guys, to appreciate this. Sikusaka nyanga mwe mugamba na Kasita is really doing well. Kasita, who actually inspired you to join music?
I'm inspired by music itself. I love music. I don't choose a particular person. I love music as a whole.
Toina muyimbi kugamba nti mbutuufu omuyimbi oyo. Yeah, unambura mutunlako ya inspiring nnyo kuyimba.
And I just love music. There are many people who are good musically who should be inspiring us. You can't pick out one person. So I'm inspired by the different music that they do. I'm inspired by music itself. The love of music inspiring kukula chenkola.
So for how long have you been doing it?
Doing what?
Doing music, the estimated time you say that professionally,
professionally I could count, I said last year.
Last year, yes. So it's just been almost we should say a year?
Yeah, maybe 2 years we could say. Yeah.
Apparently, how many albums do you have?
I have no album.
You have no album?
Singles, yes.
You have singles. How many singles do you have?
I have 5 singles.
To mention?
I have Galapabo, Yaka, Benyuma Moto, Baby Papa. And I have a new one called Kolila with Mudra.
With Mudra? Soko twema kapera kankulira. Oba tukalinde kuli olunaku.
Tukalinde ku 19th December. So sikizwa kuyimba banga ino paka 19th December. Sinagwenyimbiramu.
Kayimba chike wasooka okukuba.
When I chose to go to do my Galababo was the first one.
Galababo. This is Kasita. To all of you who have just joined us, this is LMTV Uganda with me, your number one TV host, Freda Mbabazi, bringing to you your number one celebrity sleaze program full of exclusive interviews and clarity called Around Town. And yes, as you know, tuchaine Kasita tuayamuko. Tukatumanye Kasita yani avudewa arachi yeita Kasita relationship last year. Asomye mugamba ba celebrity basoma. ne Kasita twaga tumanya asomye tasomye byonna wanoka ku LMTV Uganda. Kasita batugamba celebrities temusaba. When did you last go to church?
Ani achogera ekyo.
Batugamba bu Sunday mbeera neshweba weekend. Saturday basheba weekend. Na musiramu weekend yetandika ku Lwakutaano.
Ate buli asaba olunaku lulamba n'ekiro kyonna. I want to serve. Me, I pray a lot, and I pray, and I'll not speak for everyone, but me, I know as me Kasita, I pray.
Kasita prays.
Yes, a lot, and I believe in God, and mukama for the changes. So I cannot take that for granted.
What did it?
I'm Protestant.
Ndoza mufuna. Kasita, we've been seeing you doing collabos with many artists. Wakatandika tugambe for a year. Nayate, you've managed to do some big collabos with Dajandro, one of the best producers we have in Uganda. We've seen you do a collabo with Cindy. How does it feel like okubanti wakatandika and then tofunye mbuzibu kufuna collabos na those big people we see in the industry?
I feel blessed.
You feel blessed?
Yes.
Who connects you there?
So it's easy. These boys are people I work with. Segamanti bali bazemi ndi muyimbi. They're all artists and I'm an artist, so we just work together.
So who finances all the projects you do?
I used to do live bands, so I sold some music, and when I came to side names investing, so it's just a reinvestment from music to music.
A reinvestment from
a
live
reinvestment
band.
From
a
live
reinvestment
band music to the commercial music.
People, this is Kasita with her real name still Kasita. Teyetu mamanya malala gali gaswaga gali agakanga abantu getulaba. Kasita, we want to talk about your relationships. Is Kasita married?
She's not.
She's not married. Is she seeing somebody?
I won't discuss that.
Really?
I don't want to discuss it.
Does she have a baby?
I don't have a baby.
When are you expecting to?
I don't know. Let's first work and see how that works out. What plans for babies? I don't know. I think it just comes. It's a blessing. You don't plan for it.
Do you feel having 5 singles, actually 5 songs, 5 projects, we should say, is enough for you to stand up and say, I'm going to do a show? Because I can
do a show with 1 song. People can do, as long as you have the vocals, you have the fan base, and you have the place. I think you can do a show, because a show isn't about singing your own songs. A show is about singing to your fans what you can sing. You can do only 1 song and do the rest can be covers. As long as people are having fun, it's still a show. It's not about doing your own songs. So I think you can stage a show as long as you have the fan base and as long as you know you have the work that you can give them. Yes.
So your last remarks to your fans out there?
All my fans, I love you so much. Please don't forget to come through 19th December at Femme Lounge. I'll be waiting for you, and thanks for having me, LMTV. Thank you for giving me this platform and helping me talk to my fans and my friends. Please, let's be there and support me come 19th December. It's a very, very big production. It's going to be nice. It's not something you would love to miss.
Yes, I'm standing by Kasita to call upon you all to Femme Lounge. Because it did? 19th December. Yes, come and witness her. Do the best. Actually, we're going to see the best of Kasita, also. Yes, we're going to see the best of Kasita. I'm calling upon all of you to come and join us, to join LMTV as go attend Kasita's, we should say, up close, personal, the best of her. On 19th December with me, Freda Queen Mbabazi. This has been your #1 Celebrities List show, full of exclusive interviews and clarity here on LMTV Uganda, called Around Town. Remember, LMTV Uganda is an online TV station you can find on your various social media platforms, say YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Just get your smartphone, type LMTV Uganda, subscribe, comment, and like our stories.
LMTV. Let's go fast.